MP Angomcha Bimol Akoijam has expressed deep sorrow over demolition of the historic Rajbari Redlands building in Shillong instead of preserving it as a heritage site. Rajbari holds immense historical significance as it was the site where the merger agreement between Manipur and India was signed on September 21, 1949. MP Bimol described the demolition as an attempt to erase important monuments and remove evidence of certain parts of shared history. He urged the people of Manipur to find out who ordered the demolition, emphasizing that the building should have been preserved, renovated and declared a national heritage site. MP Bimol also called for reconstruction of the Rajbari in its original form to serve as a historical site showcasing both Manipur's legacy and India's post-colonial history. He added that he would write to the concerned authorities, noting that the property had been transferred to the government of Manipur by Meghalaya government in 2021.
It's very sad, I've just come to know. That place people will always remember because that is the place where the Maharaja signed the merger agreement on 21st September 1949. It is his Redland residence. That should have been protected under appropriate laws, such as related to heritage, and groom it into a tourist spot. That destruction is shocking to me, actually. It is as if somebody is trying to obliterate certain historical moment, to remove any evidence of certain aspects of our history. That's very sad. We must find it out who ordered the demolition of that place. Instead of preserving it and renovating it and preserving it as a heritage site, I take it as a direct assault on the dignity and history of Manipur as an entity, as a people. They should rebuild it in the same model and preserve it and develop it as a historical site for the rest of the country as well. This is not only about Manipur. That part of history is also a history of the formation of the post-colonial Indian state. So that is related not only to the history of the state, but also the history of India as such, and how India came into being in 1947 as a post-colonial state.